Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by fixing the technical foundation so search engines can crawl and trust your site. Choose a fast host and enable HTTPS. Once done, configure your CMS and set clean permalinks. Make an XML sitemap and robots. TXT immediately, and implement core structured data for organization and site search so rich results can appear. Make sure pages return 200 responses, and set canonical tags to avoid duplicate content issues. This first step reduces friction and prepares you for content and indexing. Next, focus on content strategy and on-page execution where rankings are earned. You should map keywords by intent and assign a primary term to each page, then craft titles and H1s that match that intent. Once optimized, write useful body content with supporting headings, LSI terms, and clear CTAs. Make internal links to spread relevance. Also make sure pages are mobile first. Fast, aim for a 3-second load, and include accessible markup so both users and crawlers can consume your pages effectively. Finally, launch monitoring and growth systems so improvements compound over time. You submit your sitemap to search consoles, verify indexing, and connect analytics to track traffic and conversions. Then execute a backlink plan, outreach, guest posts, and linkable assets while prioritizing white hat tactics. Once live, run monthly audits for core web vitals, duplicate content, and keyword movement. When something breaks, diagnose crawl errors first and fix one high-impact issue before broad changes. This completes the cycle and keeps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.